Hello, Gail. I hope you're well. My name is Charles, and thank you for replying. I saw your post, and I got to your website here. So I just want to give you a few recommendations that you can do to put you in front of the kind of target audience that you would like. Um, First, let me answer why do I do this? I do this because I know a lot of the time business owners don't have the time to learn about these things, even though information is out there, and also the learning curve is pretty hard and steep. Also, these days, about 90% of people use Google to search for services, and 70% of them do not leave the front page. So it's important to be up in the front of Google if you need your presence known more among your target audience. All right, so let me get started. The three things I want to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your front page. Everything that you can see I've highlighted in blue, all the text, pictures, the text behind the pictures. For example, if I go to this picture here, I can see it's saved as just Gail Eichmann, and then +1. Google sees all of this and scans your website the bots scan your website in order to make sure that you're relevant for different things that people are searching for. So it's to optimize with Google, it's important to have about probably 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. And by authoritative, I mean text that has that also includes keywords. Now, keywords are those phrases people type into Google to look for your service. For example, if I'm on Google and I'm looking for a virtual assistant in Riverbend, that this would be the keyword. So it's important to find out what kind of searches or what keywords are your target audience is using, and then include that in the text on your site, including your services. You need more text here, probably about 500 to 750 words. Technologies. So on every page, just make sure you have enough text, and they also include keywords that are relevant for that page, so that Google can start picking you up for that page. Next thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, when someone types in a search like this virtual assistant, first thing you'll see are Google ads. Google ads are good for quick leads. They do tend to get expensive because they're pay per click. Depending on the niche and the kind of keywords that you're bidding for, they can get expensive. However, they are a good quick way to get clicks and more conversions on your site. So below the Google ads, you'll see the organic search listings down here. Now, ranking higher and higher in here has a lot to do with backlinks. And I'm going to just take these guys because I think like these are your competitors. Copy link. I use a tool called Ahrefs to analyze websites. And I just want to explain backlinks. What backlinks are, if you imagine the internet is a collection of web pages linked together. One web page directing to you is a backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. If it's a McDonald's directing to you versus a forum on virtual assistants directing to you, those Google can tell which one is relevant to which niche. So whenever you're analyzing competition, you have to make sure. Here, let's take a look at these guys. You have to make sure that you're picking out the correct backlinks. Now, these guys have about 581 backlinks from 231 websites. It's for whoever is doing your SEO or website design to come in and actually analyze your competition, see what backlinks they have, and that's why they're being brought up in front of different searches for Google and try and get them. At least match the backlinks, but you don't want to do that alone. You want to also beat the backlinks. So research on your competitors' backlinks is important, and then make sure you have more backlinks and higher quality backlinks than your competitor. And remember to increase the amount of text and make sure you have good keywords. And one method is looking at your competitors. For example, these guys who I clicked on before, these are their keywords that they're ranking for, and you can see their position on Google. So something like virtual assistants, it's pretty hard to beat. Keyword difficulty means how hard it is to rank for, and 77 is pretty high because that's a national keyword. But I'm sure if you had a keyword like virtual assistant, okay, let's go to this. Virtual assistant, Riverbend, Illinois. Ahrefs is a conservative tool. However, I don't think there's that much search volume for Riverbend, Illinois. So, but it's a virtual assistant, so it could be anywhere. If you take a national keyword like this, you can see there's so many searches every month. However, it's super hard to beat with a website. It would take years and a lot of backlinking, a lot of SEO work. All right, thank you very much. I hope I've showed you something. Thank you very much, Gail. Again, my name is Charles, and if you'd like to work together on this, it'd be great. You can contact me. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take these tips, implement them, and I hope you start seeing more and more traffic.